In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a GIF in Notion. This is a really simple process, but I'll walk you through it slowly so you know exactly what to do, and also share a few tips to make sure your GIFs display correctly every time. First, open the Notion page where you want to place your GIF. This can be an existing page you're already working on, like a dashboard, a notes page, or a project page, or you can create a brand new page and give it a title. Make sure your cursor is active in the spot where you'd like the GIF to appear. You can click on an empty line or create a new one by pressing Enter. Next, we're going to use Notion's Embed command. On that empty line, start typing a /, then the word Embed. As you type, Notion will show you a small menu of commands that match what you're writing. You should see an option called Embed. When it appears, either click on it with your mouse or press Enter to select it. This tells Notion that you're about to embed some external content, such as a GIF, video, or other media. Once you've selected the Embed option, Notion will pop up a small box asking you to enter a link. This is where you paste the URL of your GIF. Before you do this, make sure you've already copied the GIF link from wherever it's hosted. This might be a direct link from a GIF website, a link from an image host, or a URL you've copied from your own storage. It's important that the link points directly to the GIF file, or to a page that Notion can read as an embeddable image. Now, click inside that link box and paste your GIF link. You can use the keyboard shortcut to paste, or right-click and select Paste. Once the link is in place, look for the button to confirm, usually labeled something like Embed Link, and click it. After a moment, Notion will load the GIF and display it right on your page. You can then click and drag the corners to resize it, or drag the entire block to reposition it within your layout. At this point, your GIF is fully embedded and will animate as long as the original link remains accessible online.